I ain't gonna lie, Two Raw Mob. I ain't gonna sit. Look, man. I really think somebody just siphoned my fucking gas. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I could have left it like this, right? I could have just left it like this, right? I could have, but I don't think I did that. I don't think I did that. Look, it's all on the ground. Look, it's all on the ground. But I ain't gonna lie, it also looks like it's all on my damn, it's all on my frame and everything too. So maybe I did leave it like that. To be honest, I don't think I left it like that. So it's kind of messed up if somebody, you know, did that. But anyways, it's kind of gloomy out here, bro. It's kind of gloomy. But all right, so let's make a long story short. This video is gonna be about what I done got for my truck. You know what I'm saying? Because I need a bunch of stuff still. Well, not a bunch of stuff, but I just need some more things. So I guess we can start with the movers blanket. So this movers blanket, and shout out to bro in my comments of one of my last videos. He told me, he was like, man, you know, it's cheaper at Tractor Supply or something like that. I think I got this from Harbor Freight. He probably said Harbor Freight. I got this from Harbor Freight, $19. The one that's in my truck, I paid for it $57 from Lowe's. That's a $30 difference, bro. $30 difference. I'm kind of fucked up about it because I don't know if I could find that that receipt. So I mean, hey, it's all good. The money I already spent, you know. Number two, we got some Wi-Fi, man. T-Mobile Wi-Fi. I hadn't used it yet. I literally just got it today. So I'm gonna do another video on it, showing y'all exactly like, well, letting y'all know exactly how it works and stuff like that. Right now I'm in New York, in the middle of nowhere really. So I'm gonna put it up, I'm gonna plug it in and see how it works. Damn, it's cold out here. I'm gonna plug it in and see how it works, and we're gonna make another video about that. I'll tell y'all how it's going. I also upgraded one of my cameras. The camera I'm shooting on right now is a GoPro Max 360 Max. I could shoot 360 on it. I've never done it before, but I could shoot 360 view on it. But I got a GoPro 11 to upgrade my GoPro Hero 7 that I got. The GoPro 11 is nice, man. I can't wait to try it out, put it on my head and everything, and shoot with it. So another thing, y'all probably see me in my comments, ain't nobody said nothing yet. Ain't nobody said nothing, but I be rolling these straps up, you know, with my hands, just getting it. Well, I got this now. So this, the end of it, you see how it's, you know, it's look at the end. Okay, cool. So you're supposed to put the end up in one of those, and then you just wind it. You just wind it, you know. So this is gonna speed me up. It's gonna speed up my my times when I'm getting out of shippers and it, you know, loading stuff up. No, just getting out of shippers when I'm putting these straps up. So like I said, I cannot wait to put all that stuff to use. It's gonna be cool. I need to do a video about things that's on my trailer, where I got stuff put up at, because my trailer has came a long way as well. So yeah, I'm gonna do a video about stuff that's on my trailer. I hope y'all don't see me over here like shivering, because I'm shivering, bro. I'm cold as hell. But yeah, man, I really ain't got nothing else for y'all. Oh, also, so I'm getting back on the MacBook, so I'll be editing on the MacBook, you know, giving y'all that fire content, the music, you know, the effects and stuff like that. I probably don't do too much, because I mean, we truck drivers, man, we don't need all of that, you know, that bull crap to watch a video. So I will get all of that together and everything, and yeah, man, like I said, I can't wait. I'm gonna end the video here, and that's it, man. I'm gonna go up in there, take me a shower, get ready for tomorrow. We picking the military load up tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned for that. It's gonna be real cool. I think I'm just gonna post this video up tonight and just let it post up tonight, because I posted a video today but my audio was messed up. That's why I went and got a new camera. I thought this camera was messed up, the one that I'm filming on right now, but turns out it was just my app on my iPhone, the iMovie app. So I'm getting back on the computer editing, so I don't have to deal with that no more. Well, all right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. It's Watts, Too Raw, I'm out.